If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Sakara. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, so for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then 2 cups of diced pumpkin or kaddu. Then take 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur. Then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Take about half inch long tamarind or imli and soak that in some water for roughly about 15 minutes. Then remove the seeds. Then quarter cup of grated coconut and some salt to taste. Now traditionally these are made in earthen pots, so that's why to make this I am using the earthen pot, but you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Now place it on medium flame and first add all the ghee, followed by the ginger, haldi, hing and the powder. Now roast this for a minute to get rid of the raw flavor. Then to that add all the diced pumpkin and saute these for a couple of minutes. Then to the pot add about 1.5 cups of water, followed by the soaked tamarind water and some salt, and bring that to boil. Then cover it with a lid and let it simmer till it's completely cooked and the water content is almost reduced. And it's perfect. Now we can add the gur and coconut. Then combine these really well and cook for another couple of minutes and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Sakara. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.